What do we have here?
We've got some burnt titanium exhaust tips and a Valvetronic exhaust.
Oh.
Anodized aluminum, an expose on Valvetronic.
Yeah, we got this X5 M50I here for a Valvetronic exhaust. So step one, we're gonna get this chunky stock exhaust out the way and start installing the Valvetronic.
Long as these wraps, you can
These look the best. These look, so? Yeah, dude, on this thing would look f***ing hot.
Okay. This is in-car, valves open. God damn.
It's not really any.
It's not that loud.
That's what I'm saying.
That's open?
Yeah, that's open.
Damn, it's loud on the outside.
Yeah, it's not really. That's what I was saying. I couldn't really get any like fucking. So this is closed. This is closed right here.
Close, it's gonna be so quiet.
Yeah, you can hear
it. I can't hear shit. It's so quiet.
Alright, we're gonna open them up.
Yeah, open it back up.
These are open. Well, it sounds good.
All right, brother. Thank you, Jason, again.
Thank you, James.
Hope
Yeah.
you love this Valvetronic exhaust. And yeah, man, we'll see you. Hell yeah.